Landria, Onkka on YouTube, here to help you break through those fears and live an awesome life. You know, people watch my channel and they say, how come you don't have 1 million subscribers? I just want to remind you that Tony Robbins doesn't have 1 million subscribers. But I do agree, I should have 1 million subscribers, so let's work on it. Share the videos, let's get the word out, let's raise the frequency of the planet. Also, I have apparel down here, merchandise. On the back it says, raising the frequency of the planet, and on the front it says, one light being at a time, and it has my logo, and that is the sign of infinity, all probabilities. Let's get started on today's fun exercise. Well, one of the things that I tell you is paramount to your acceleration of manifesting amazing things is meditation. There's a meditation that I have that expands you into the quantum field, but I'm going to talk today about something that is super powerful. I actually just did it in my own meditation. So during my meditation, what I actually did is I realized that everything that I would ever want and seek, or the peace that I seek, is self-contained in me. And so I did my meditation of releasing karma. That's a really super powerful one, of releasing karma, and I actually created and generated that peace and that light and love emanating from me. And everything that I desire is right here. So I'm just connecting to everything that already exists out there in the probability that I desire. When most of us are trying to connect out there to try and get something, to send something back to us. And so we're still disempowering ourselves by doing that. I know, this is a little out there, right? Does this make sense? You actually are all of it, because there's no separation between you and that which you seek. You actually are the source of the power. Everyone is. The source is the source, and we are one thing. So we are the generation of the source of everything. So everything you're creating in your life is generated from you. You are the source. It's not something you're sending out there, or I'm sending a negative message and then stuff's coming back to me. That's not how it's working. That's why I don't like using law of attraction, because it sounds like you're attracting something that's outside of you. You're not attracting anything. You're actually just shifting into a reality. You are a self-contained reality. You control that entire reality. Here in this whole power is within you. And if you shift into it and you tap into it, you actually become it, live it, experience it. Even though we're on a dense planet, planet Earth will shift for you, because you're going to shift into the reality of which others are participating also. That's why some people go out of your life, some people actually will pass on. It's going to shift. You're now in a completely different reality. People don't just disappear. There may be people in your life you don't even realize they're gone, that you ever don't have any memory of, that were ever there. This is way beyond our comprehension as humans, but I want you to know that everything is coming directly from you. You are just absolutely tapping into that endless, unlimited power that you are. Sit and do a meditation on that. I might have to create one. If you do my advanced quantum field, it's actually quantum expansion meditation. There's a long one. There's a 30-minute one, and there's a long one. You could really experience something amazing, because what I do is I have you push your power out, and all you're doing is connecting to the power of which exists here. You're just focused on it. Not separate from you. You actually push your power out and you realize you are that. And so it responds to you because it is you. It's aware of you because you were probably in here, focused on just here. You're just expanding your own energy of which you are. You're just aware of it. And thus you're tapping into massive probabilities. And so anything you think, after those meditations, people manifest unbelievable stuff. Read my comments. It's mind-blowing. Go on landriaonka.com and see what people are saying. They're getting unbelievable, crazy stuff showing up. Why? Because they're just going out in their power without the obstacles anymore. They're so focused on that power. And then they just have a thought of a higher a higher desire, because that's what we're focusing on. And stuff starts to show up. And it blows their mind. And then the more it happens, the more they want to do it, and the more they realize they are doing everything. And they take responsibility. So when something happens that teaches them, instead of blaming, they say, oh, oops, I got to correct something. There's something out of whack here because I want to stay in that higher frequency. Give it a try. And I'll do a meditation for you guys. So go into my meditation playlist. I've got some real good ones in there. They're all really, truly just connecting to your own light. You're whole and perfect, strong and powerful, loving, harmonious, and happy. Blessings to you, my friend. Namaste.